To activate your Shell gift card, follow these simple steps. First, ensure you have your gift card and the card number handy. The card number is usually located on the back of the card. Next, visit the official Shell website and navigate to the gift card section. Click on the Activate Gift Card option and enter your card number in the required field. You will also need to enter the security code, which can be found on the back of the card. After entering the required information, click the Submit button. You will then be prompted to create a username and password to register your card. This will allow you to track your balance and transaction history. Once you have registered your card, you can start using it to make purchases at participating Shell stations. You can use your gift card to buy fuel, food, and other items to check your balance. Simply log into your account on the Shell website or visit a participating Shell station. It is essential to keep your gift card and account information safe to avoid unauthorized transactions. If you encounter any issues during the activation process, you can contact Shell customer service for assistance. By following these steps, you can easily activate your Shell gift card and start using it to make purchases. Remember to always check the balance and expiration date of your gift card before making a purchase.